Video number 6. The anatomy of a profit-pulling e-commerce site. By now you already know that an e-commerce website is a place where business is conducted, from selling goods and services to advertising products through affiliate sites, and you have an idea of how an e-commerce site looks and works. You know that a good e-commerce site has a main page, a great range of images, a search bar, and a menu to select product categories from. This is the basic anatomy of an e-commerce site and covers the basic ways to navigate it. What does a very successful e-commerce site need to have inside it? What are the elements that, when combined, truly create a great user experience inside one? Here you'll be able to see what has made some of the best e-commerce websites around the successes they are now. The name. The name of an e-commerce site is like its face, because it is the first thing that people will see, whether you are inside the website or by reading about it somewhere else. Generally, the name of a website needs to be simple and easy to remember. A name for an e-commerce website doesn't necessarily need to be reflective of the nature of its business or product. It will help if it has some interesting story or meaning behind it. The classic example of this is Amazon.com. Amazon is a simple name that its founder chose after deciding that it represented something that, in his own words, is exotic and different. The Amazon River is the biggest river in the world, and Amazon's founder wanted it to become the biggest retailer in the world. The homepage. The homepage of an e-commerce website looks just like the entrance of a real-world storefront. Once you get inside, your first impression will make your mind up about it. Does it look like the kind of place that is selling what it offers? Is it organized and easy to navigate? Take, for example, the homepage of Umbra.com, which showcases some of its featured products by having them occupy a whole page, just like a stand in a physical retail shop. It is effective because it makes you feel it is the natural environment to sell those products. The category menu. Finding products under a certain category on a web page needs to be straightforward and easy, especially on e-commerce websites, where a handful of products are sold and not all can be put under a category, which means using subcategories for each category. Alibaba.com is one of the biggest and most successful e-commerce players today. They offer an immense variety of products from suppliers around the world, which means that it has millions of different products in its store. That is why Alibaba.com has a category menu that can be easily reached after getting inside the page by scrolling down a little. There, the main categories are displayed. When you put your mouse pointer over a category, a subcategory's submenu will be displayed. If you want to see a more detailed view of the categories and their subcategories, it is as simple as clicking on All Categories, which will take you to a page where all categories are displayed, along with their subcategories in list form. The product page. The product page will show you what a product is like. In a product page, you'll see the product's description, details, multiple pictures with close-up angles, price, and the buy button. Often, you'll be able to see similar products as well. For this backpack on SkateWarehouse.com, you can see its description, price, pictures, and other similar backpacks of the same brand. Alongside the product info, you can find the Add to Cart button. The checkout process. The checkout process is a section of the page where you land once you have decided what you are going to buy. It used to be that you needed to be registered on the site to check out, but now this is not the norm. Amazon.com is one of those pages that still require you to register to check out, but it is such a streamlined process that you'll only need to do it once. It is as simple as entering your email, password, and some personal info like name, address, and payment method. Once you have registered, it is as easy as adding something to your cart, clicking on Checkout Now, verifying your payment, and shipping info. Streamlining the checkout process in this manner has helped modern e-commerce websites convert first-time customers into repeat customers, and it has worked like a charm. It is important to also prepare a thank you and a follow-up successful purchase page after your customers are done checking out, so they're not left hanging after they've made a purchase. It gives them the details of their finished operation. A customer service section. A customer service section consisting of a help section and a contact us section is a requirement for all e-commerce sites that want to be trusted by visitors and customers. A help section should show people an easy way to use your site and navigate it. You can see that ThinkGeek's help section offers detailed information on how their services work, information about their pricing, shipping options, checkout process, security measures, and anything that can be done and found on their site. The Help page also has the option to live chat with customer service. It also gives you their contact information, and by scrolling down you can find other ways to communicate with them. That is how you construct a streamlined user experience for the best e-commerce website.